Meaning of interact.
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 Interact. The term interact refers to the act of communicating or working together with someone or something, often in a dynamic and reciprocal manner. It can refer to a wide range of behaviors, including verbal communication, physical actions, and even nonverbal cues such as gestures or facial expressions. In the context of technology, it often refers to the way in which humans engage with digital systems or devices, such as through touchscreens, voice commands, or other forms of input. Interacting with others is an important aspect of social and emotional development, and can allow individuals to build relationships, learn from one another, and achieve shared goals.